आसा आनी तो व्हिडिओ आयज सगळ्या लोकां मेरेन पावलेलो आसा. आनी एक सांगपाचो मेन उद्देश म्हटल्यार हे जे प्रकरण हे 4-5 दिसां पयलींचें प्रकरण न्हू, हे 1 वर्स पयलीं प्रकरण सुरू जाल्लें. आनी ह्या प्रकरणान टील डेट म्हाका दिसता जो एक्यूज आसा ताका 5 लाख ह्या आमदारा कडल्यान पावलेले आसा. आनी जेन्ना 5 कोटीचो डिमांड जालो तेन्ना खंय तरी वचून पुलीस कंप्लेंट फायल केल्या. म्हणटकूच जर तो व्हिडिओ खंय तरी एडिट केल्लो, त्या व्हिडिओन कितें तरी हे आसलें भानगड आसली जाल्यार तो आमदार आसलो तो डे 1 कंप्लेंट करतलो. डे 1 कंप्लेंट कित्याक करूंक ना तेणी? तो टील डेट म्हणजे 1 वर्स कित्याक रावलो? तो 1 वर्स कंप्लेंट करपाक ताका इतलो टायम कित्याक लागलो? आनी तेणी पयशे ताका दिल्लेले आसा. आनी आयज आमकां कितें ट्रूथ आसा ती आमी पळयलेली आसा. तेंचो चेडो एक काँग्रेसचो एक लिडर तेणी खंय तरी एक पोस्ट घातलेलो की हेचेर सोशल मिडियाचेर पोस्ट घातलेलो आनी तेणी रोखडोच तो पोस्ट सुद्दां डिलीट केल्लो आसा. म्हणटकूच तेणी सुद्दां विचारलेलें की लोकां मुखार तो कोण तो येवपाची गरज आसा आनी ते पयशे दिल्या ते हेजेसून प्रूफ जाता की तो व्हिडिओ खरो म्हणून. तर हे सगल्यो गजाली आयज प्रूव करता की तो आमदार आसा तो खऱ्यांनीच भितर इनवॉल्व जाल्लो आसा. आमची फक्त एकूच रिक्वेस्ट आसा की त्या आमदाराक बेगींतल्या बेगीन काडून उडोवचो. कित्याक लागून तो लोकप्रतिनिधी आसा, तो खुबशा लोकांक रिप्रेझेंट करता. आनी जेन्ना आमचे यूथ स्पेशली यूथ आपली कामां घेवन जेन्ना तेजे कडेन वयता तेन्ना तो आमच्या युथांक खंयच्या नदरेन पळयता हेचेर आयज मोठो क्वेश्चन मार्क आसा. चेडवां सोडून ती पूण जे यूथ आसा ते आयज धोक्यांत आसा. ते जेन्ना थंय वयतले त्या मतदारसंघातले यूथ आसा जेन्ना ते यूथ थंयसरल्या आमदाराक अप्रोच जातले तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता आयज अशा प्रकारचे जे आमदार आसा तांकां खंय तरी बेगींतल्या बेगीन काडून उडोवपाची गरज आसा. नाल्यार तांकां खंय तरी तेणी स्वता जावन रेजिग्नेशन दिवपाची गरज आसा. आयज आमी सगळे हांगा व्हडा संख्येन जमलेले आसा. आमचो एकूच मागणी आसा की त्या आमदाराक बेगींतल्या बेगीन काडून उडोवचो. थँक्यू.
आयज आमच्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी युवा सगळे गोंयभर आयज मोठ्या संख्येन आयज हांगा जमलेले आसा. आमच्या बरोबर आसा आमचे भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे युवा अध्यक्ष बाब समीर मांद्रेकर आनी हेर सगळे आमचे युवा आसा. आतां आमचे बाब समीर ऑलरेडी ताणें आमची उतरां सांगलेली आसा. पूण आय वूड लायक टू क्लियर द फॅक्ट्स थ्रू द मिडिया. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट this victim with the Aldona MLA, Mr. Kallus, he has told the media or to social media, he had filed a complaint 1 year back, which is totally false. No. Actually, the same complaint which we had written in 2023 and which he had said that he had filed, he has filed it now in December 2024. So he called it photos. It's a lies. And here Congress has rocked us telling lies, spreading lies, as they've been doing nowadays. Dusri Gozal, on the 2nd, he has filed this complaint. On the 4th, this accused was arrested. After being arrested, on the 5th, I would like to bring it. आमचे media माध्यमांतून हाडूंक सोदता. हे इंसान ताचो चलो डेनियल फिलिप आल्वारीस पेरेरा. ताचो चोण आसा इंसान तांकां म्हणलेलें दिस हॅज कम ऑन द फेसबुक बाय हिम ओनली. हाऊ मेनी बिलीव द फेस वॉज मॉर्फ? इफ द फेस वॉज मॉर्फ, वाय ही पेड? सो हाजो अर्थ कितें? वॉट इज द मिनींग ऑफ दीस? सो दीस इज द पर्सन, हे द फॅमिली, हे परिवार आयज बिलीव करता that this is the same genuine person, Kallus. They don't believe it was morphed. And if it was morphed, why it was paid? So, anga kinata, the family themselves was kept in the dark for so long. Family can't cover na. Family can't cover na. He is one elected representative. He was a additional solicitor of India. Was also AG, elected by the people of Aldona, and was representing Goa, regular issues. But today, he has kept Goa in dark. He has kept the Aldona people in dark. And also, Amka elected Ratnaka. Congress he was it. Why are the Congress crowd and their partners? Nakal initiative ideas about Honorable CM. Amka Honorable CM has been working day and night. Yes, today they were down job scam, land scam, whatever scam, everyone has been arrested. The police are doing that job. No one has been pinpointed. Today they are pinpointing at our Honorable CM's family. This is the कर्तव्य of Congress. गोंयांनो आयज ते देशभर अशें ते करीत आयल्ले आसा. देखून आयज लोकांनी महाराष्ट्र इलेक्शनाक आनी हरियाणान तांकां हाजे धाडर घाल्लेले आसा. They have been sent home for all these floating, spreading lies. And today it is important that this Kallus, MLA of Aldana, needs to come out with a fact. He should tell the people that he is the truth, and that probably people will appreciate. Let him come out and tell, "Mujhe chuk zali, I am so and so person, and this is what I have done." But don't keep on telling lies. Last 2.5 years, they have been keep on telling lies in and out. And person like this is not fit to be in the assembly, and he should immediately resign as soon as possible. I'm not saying tomorrow like yesterday. I've been always saying that this is something a relation has gone sour. Then I complaint दिल्लीला असा this is happening for last 7-8 years, and I don't know, and everybody was confused as to what is going on. And this happens to be a boy. And that video which has gone viral, it's clear indication. You can see the face on the video, and you can see what is on the video, what is happening, and the screen recording which I'm saying cannot be mocked. It is a genuine thing. So come out and clarify. Why is he not clarifying today? Why is he silent? He's a lawyer, he's elected representative of Aldana constituency. Why is he silent? Come out and tell the fact. If you're clear, why did you pay money? If I'm not guilty, somebody makes an allegation on me, I'll go immediately and complain. Why did he keep on all this while? So there's something deep down where I'm requesting Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, who's doing a fantastic job. Tell the department, tell the crime court to the deep root of it and bring out whatever it is, and this person has to be nailed. Whether the accused victim who seems to be accused, he says the victim, it appears to be accused or something to do with a relationship or partner in crime. So it is high time that it comes out clear, and the police department, the crime branch goes to the bottom of it and nails the person, and we should know the fact that the people of Goa and the people are going to want to know what is the truth. Thank you very much.
How the people of Aldana are reacting to this all this?
The people, it's gone all over, it's wild, it's completely gone not only in Aldana, all over. And what do you expect the people to do? They're not going to come out and talk. They're talking, it's all in whispers. Some are talking openly, so it's been a shame, no? A person of that caliber, who's a lawyer, senior counsel, and all that, I mean, it's a shame. I mean, nothing of this sort has happened. So this is what is happening today. It's a disgrace to the Congress. And the alliance partners who are partnering with the Congress, they're all in the top because of this person. So what a shameful act. सगळे गोंयचे all Goa.
भारतीय जनता पार्टीचा